And welcome to my channel. I'm Assassin Ghost, and today we are going to take a look at a cool new AI tool that lets you generate color palettes, gradients based on your prompts. So let's dive right in and take a look at it. This tool is called UXPilot.ai, Color and Gradient AI, and it is provided by Adam Fad. And the thing is, like, we already have 11.2k users, and it is hearted by 146. And all you need to do is just go to this link, which I will just put in the description, so you can just go ahead and click on it. But once you are on this page, you can go ahead and click on open in, and either you can choose your existing projects or you can just create a new file, and it will just create a new file for you. So as you can see, we have this draft and we have this plugin file open right here. And even if you are working in some other projects, you can always go ahead to the plugins and you can choose this plugin from your recents. So let's just say we are going to use this plugin right here. So this is their dialog box, and we have three options. The first thing is colors, where you can generate color palettes, also gradients, and you can also generate shades. Or there is a new tools feature where you can just click on a color and it will explain the color. So let's see it in action, then we can understand clearly like what it is. So we do have some sample prompts right here. So fintech app for Gen Z users, e-commerce app for savvy shoppers, and things like that. So let's just use a sample prompt, which is a fintech app for Gen Z users, and we can also select the number of colors. So let's just say if we do 4 colors, and if we generate it, then it will start generating the color palettes in real time right here inside your Figma only. Okay, so we now have 4 colors, and as you can see, we have this contrast information because we tick the contrast information checkbox. So it will show that what colors will work and what colors won't work on this. So as you can see, if we choose a black color type on this purple color, then it is a fail, and if you use white or something other contrasting colors, then it will be fine. So currently we have these 4 colors, and let's go ahead and try to generate a gradient. So even if you want to generate gradients, you can just select the gradients tab right here, and you can give a sample prompt. So we are using the sample prompt right here, or you can just give your own prompt, obviously, and you can select the number of colors, and once you click on generate, it will just generate gradients for you too. So as you can see, we now have 5 colors because we selected 5 here, and it has generated 5 colors for our design, and also a gradient which we can use definitely. And the best part about this new tool is that if I'm unsure about this color and I need to explain it to my team, like why we are using this, we can just select this color and say explain this color, and what it's going to do is basically give us a detailed description of how it can be useful. So for example, it says that this color is a vibrant shade of green that represents growth, harmony, and freshness. So I can just convince my design team to use this color, and in this way we can use this tool. Also, let's go ahead and choose the shades. So we can choose either linear or hue shift, and we can also go with like any color. So let's just say if I'm going to pick this green color, and how many shades we want to generate, so let's just say 5. So we can just generate shades based on this, and even if you want for some other colors, we can just go ahead and generate multiple shades for it. So this tool is like really nice for people who are like not very confident at picking colors, and using this tool you can like easily generate color palettes, gradients, shades for your design, and you can also get a detailed description of what why we are going to use it, or like how is this color better for this design. So this tool is like really nice, and you can continue using it in your design projects because it's also free. So like as you can see, like currently we have access to tools, shades, and colors, and these all are free, so you don't have to pay a subscription or anything. You can just use it right inside your designs without any problems. So this was the quick video on how you can use this tool, And if you like this video, please leave a like, and also I'm going to leave the link in the description, so you can just go ahead and check it out. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.